Naratnan mo na ba ang mga sangandaan sa iyong buhay kung saan tinanong mo sa iyong sarili kung tama nga ba ang iyong mga desisyon mo noon? Para sa bubungong buhay, tayo na po't magkapet pandasal. Self-reflection is a powerful tool that can illuminate the path to personal growth. Just as Jesus taught us about the importance of understanding our own flaws before judging others, taking time to examine our lives, decisions, and values can lead to profound transformation. So, this Lent, why not set meaningful goals for self improvement? Whether it's journaling your thoughts, seeking feedback from friends, or simply taking a moment each day to pause and reflect. These small steps can lead to significant change. Let's embark on this journey together. Support each other in becoming the best versions of ourselves. Manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, sa panahon ng Kwaresma, tulungan mo kaming magpakatatag para sa aming paglago at pagbabago. Naway suportahan namin ang bawat isa sa pananampalataya at pag-ibig upang mapalapit kami sa iyo araw-araw. Amen.